The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Oh, we back at it again, South Africa. Thank you so much for joining us, family. It's 24 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Somizi, the Naked DJ, and of course Anonymous on the line. Without wasting any more time, Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning, Kuto.
Ooh, le energy, girl. I love it. Happy Monday, Anonymous.
Oh, well, it's not a happy Monday for me. Nyagoa, man.
Assistance.
Yes.
Okay, before we hear what is making you go, Isha, let's get the house rules in. Respect is a foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
We are ready for you, just like Somizi's ankle. What is happening?
Okay, good morning, South Africa. Good morning, Askaman team.
Morning.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Let me calm down. Oh.
You've got this.
So, my partner and I have been together for 5 months. We met in January. Ne? He's 31 years old with one child, and I'm 35 with one child as well. I live by myself in a rented room, and then my child stays with my parents at home. He still lives at home with his parents, and I think the child stays with the mother elsewhere. We see each other on weekends only because of this arrangement, our work schedules. So from Friday to Sunday, he comes to sleep over at my place. He goes back home either on like Sunday evenings or Monday morning, depending on the shift that he's doing for that week at work. So it means we spend the entire weekend together, and then during the week, he spends at home. At the beginning of the relationship, I expressed to him that I'd like for him to contribute financially when he comes to sleep over. So this means that I want him to chip in for things like groceries, toiletries, and maybe some electricity here and there, things that we use when we are together and he's visiting. So it's either, I asked him to either send money or we go shopping together, like sitole izinto that we need for the weekend. He did that for the first 2 months, and he would send about 500, 600, and then I'd obviously go shopping and add my money on top of that to get the things that we need for the weekend. Sharp. On other days when he would come over, we would get takeaways if I don't feel like cooking, and it depends. Whoever suggested the takeaways would get it. So we both could afford that type of life.
Anonymous, quick one. You said you guys have been dating for 5 months.
Yes, 5 months, correct.
Okay, continue.
All right. So then, now the issue was, at some point he stopped giving me that money. I didn't remind him month 3, month 4, month 5, it's fine. I covered that expense for us. So recently I expressed to him again, Uguti Ayman, I can feel Uguti, the money that I usually spend when I'm on my own has now doubled when it comes to catering for the both of us. So then when I told him this, I also suggested, Uguti, can we reduce the number of days that we spend together on the weekends? We spend Friday to Monday together. Maybe we spend 1 day a week because financially, Yeah, so then he was not okay with that suggestion. He said to me that his love language does not cater to see me for like 1 day a week. And I also suggested because now you're no longer giving me money, and Nami, it's not nice on my side to have to ask you for money all the time. So then, fast forward, he ended up breaking up with me again this weekend on the basis that he's unable to meet my standard or my requirement ukuthi ngicela angiphe more money or afake imali as often as possible. And he also refuses ukuthi sibonane once a week ngaleyo weekend leyo. So I'm not sure if I was being reasonable with that request. Was I asking for too much? Because, yeah.
Okay, no. See nip in the bud, literally.
Okay.
Yeah. And you must save iskati, saved you time.
Mm-hmm. Right.
By the way, Timbani is our digital content.
Always sleeping.
He's always on.
No, he's always sleeping. Kind of fire cartridge.
Cartridge in the camera.
Yeah. Anyway, Anonymous, ne?
Yes.
I want you to. I got the gist of the story,
Yes.
ne? So must work my headlines. Different than we've ever done before in the history of Ask a Man, ne?
All right.
Okay, my baby, hold on, man.
All right.
Sharp.
Thank you, Anonymous. Let's get into the news headlines. It's 10:30. Khobedi Dinlokwe is on standby. We'll give you a bit of a summary if you're joining us right now, but don't go anywhere.
Africa Month on Metro FM, honoring a continent's greatness, backed by 40 years of shaping the soundtrack of our lives. Metro FM, it's where you want to be.
Minutes after 10 o'clock. Thank you very much for joining us. We've got Anonymous on the line. So a quick summary. Anonymous has been with her partner for about 5 months now, right? Currently the 5th month. They're both in their 30s. They have 1 child each. She lives with her child. He lives at his family home with his, parents, not too sure where the child is. She doesn't know, whether it's possibly the chances of the baby being with the baby mama, etc. He often visits her place on weekends when they're both free, and this agreement initially worked. But she feels like he's become a major cost to her pocket, right? She brought this up and asked him to just contribute a little more to her household, but he didn't like her request and has resulted basically in him breaking up with her, saying that, this isn't the love language. And she's asking, am I being reasonable or asking for too much with what I'm sharing with you guys? Anonymous, we're on the same page, right?
Yes, that's correct. Just a little bit of a correction.
Please.
I live alone, and then my child lives with my parents at home. So I'm alone most of the time. Yeah.
Got you. Thank you so much for that, Anonymous. Somizi.
So, Naked, I'm proposing something here, right? Because Lentolena, it's really not that deep, to be honest. It's really not that deep.
It is deep. That's why she can't let go.
No. Well, you're not funny. No,
It goes that deep, so easy.
No, you're not. I think it's
Okay.
So, stop it, Kevin Hart. Right. Where was I? It's not that deep anymore. So I wanted us to try something different.
Okay.
Right.
What?
I want us to do something different.
Yes.
Instead of dwelling into this nonsensical issue, I want us to find a solution for you.
Okay.
Right. Mina, as far as this guy's concerned, good riddance to good rubbish.
No.
Yes.
Why do you say that?
Good. A complaint like 500 Randy. With things that are going to benefit everyone in the relationship and meeting you halfway. No, you deserve better. You deserve better. Good riddance for good rubbish. You're going to thank yourself for not feeling guilty. You were asking for the bare minimum. Minimum.
Yes,
It's like
is the bare minimum.
you're asking for a fish.
I cater to him. Maga khona ngiyamphekela.
Yeah,
Oh,
problem here none. Yeah, but anyway, don't feel guilty, don't feel bad.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Now, the solution that I was talking about, Naked, with the time that we have, I want Anonymous to ask us, moving forward, how can you do better when, as a human being, when you meet someone before you commit? Because the problem of dating on the basis of itswai, data ama of salt. You understand?
Yes.
So now, ask me and Naked anything, the type of guy that you're looking for, what your dream relationship is like, and what can you do to achieve that dream? What makes you happy completely, you know?
Yo.
Sifuna ukupha ama-tools manje, because there's no need of us sitting here and talking about a guy who left you for ukuthi akafuna ukubhatala 500 rand, and wena you are saying, you are even trying to meet him halfway by saying let's minimize because
Yes.
akafuni mekele uyibread. What do you want? Anonymous, give us a dream love life. What do you want?
Yo, I've never really thought nanokuthi ngifunani ngoba I'm still heartbroken over this. Uyabo.
Heartbroken. 5 months icabange njenge 5 months.
Mara Somizi.
Yes, honestly think about it njenge 5 months.
We've spent every weekend together kuleyo 5 months. It's a long time.
Yes, it's a long time because you are lonely wena.
Oh.
It's not a long time for a person who's content and they are okay being alone.
And 5 months is still a trial period.
Enkulu futhi.
Like,
But she's operating from a place of itswayi, loneliness, low self-esteem, and wanting to replace the father of the child.
And I don't even know why she was cooking all this time when bekumele badlale.
That's all they're supposed to do.
Sikwenzile lokho Naked nako how.
Okay, ngiyakubona Anonymous azwana into positive. Ngiyakubona azwana into upliftayo. Ufuna ukubuyela kusigemegeme.
No, okay. So my ideal relationship, I think going forward, I would want to. Jesus, I think he's texting me now. Sorry.
Yeah, I heard that.
Athini ifunde athini.
Okay, Ivule, please give me a second.
Ivule study indaba ivule njengoba uhlala uvula
yonke.
Okay, please give me a second. Oh no, he just said good morning. Okay, so
you lying
on a Monday at 10:30.
Guilty.
Anonymous.
Guilty. Ulele walala na yonke into elalekayo. Seka guilty.
I think he's just testing whether his messages are going through because I did delete his number.
Yes, Anonymous.
Yes.
Good morning on a Monday morning after the weekend. And
After
usually
you broke
the
up with
weekend, yes. We last spoke on Saturday when he dumped me.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then,
Guilty.
we went quiet yesterday and then Kana respond manje, good morning.
Guilty. Or you
You
can
think
call
so?
him. Yeah, you can call him now. Umuzi kuthini.
No, let's not call him, please.
You know,
If,
crazy thing is, he said something about his love language to you, no?
Yes.
Meaning he's been
Yes.
thinking and he knows what kind of love he wants. But when Somizi asks you, what kind of love are you looking for? How do you want to be loved? What are you looking for? And you are totally clueless.
Yes, slightly
So-
clueless. But I can tell you what I don't want.
We want to work with what you want.
Okay.
Because we don't. Somizi said we are not starting on a negative note. It's a Monday morning, for goodness
Okay.
sake. Ufunani.
So ngifuna umuntu considerate, umuntu that I don't have to ask to do things for me. He's a good communicator. I liked that about him. So I'm also looking for someone who's good at communicating. I want someone who is mature. I want someone who's also generous
Which is
with his
not.
time and his pocket. And yes.
He's not.
You know, Anonymous, that was a trap.
Yes.
That was a trap that Somizi and I
Why?
put there for you. You know,
Why?
because you said you are looking for someone and you thought you had someone.
Yeah, I did actually.
Exactly. So there you have it. You've got the answer. You are still looking for someone. Because this guy.
He's not that one for me.
Yeah. That's what we're saying. So, but you said you are still hung up over this guy. And I don't know what was special about him. You tell us. What was so special about him?
I think I had just grown to love him over these 5 months.
Kula
I
in
enjoyed
5 months.
spending time with him.
Yes,
He's a
Naked.
good communicator, like I said.
Anonymous,
Yes.
he was coming to you on weekends for sex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
guys,
I-
hold
alright.
on.
Alright.
Yes,
It
he
was
was.
a benefit, yes. It was
Ungathi
part
yeah,
of
wena
the
Anonymous
deal.
was kahle.
Yes.
guys.
And you know what frustrates me about you, Anonymous? Khona manje?
Yes.
I'm trying to shift you away from this guy. You keep on coming back to this guy. Like, I'm asking you your future relationship. What do you want? Uti, I'm looking for a communicator. He was good in communicating. I'm looking for the.
For me,
Yo, hi, yeah, yeah,
Who
yeah,
were
yeah,
you
yeah.
communicating with yesterday?
no one. My phone is so dry. I didn't even have.
So
I'm a
exactly,
backup.
and you said he's
So
a
is your
good.
conundrum.
Yes, you said he's.
Right.
You said he's a good communicator, but
And imagine.
you couldn't speak to anyone yesterday because he wasn't communicating with you. So stop lying, Anonymous. You know.
Lying.
And these weekends have been cold lately.
Yeah.
I think for the last couple of month and a half, 2 months. Anonymous, you don't miss this guy.
What do I miss?
When
What am I missing?
Ulonely.
Uyazi.
She doesn't know.
Oh.
Guys, Anonymous, how did your relationship with your baby father ended?
Aye, wena.
Oh, that ended like 12 years ago. Like, I wasn't interested in him like that. So, yimi ngamdamba ubaba wengane.
And then between Lapo, what you all are still on it?
Yes, ngajola, I'm a piece job here and there, but now
How long
they
do
just
they last?
didn't last long.
How long do they last?
Pardon?
What was the longest piece job for you?
It was 5 years.
Longer than Le?
5 years,
yes,
5
yes,
months.
longer than this one. And it took me
Udilanga
years
about
to get over that one as well.
Anonymous, are you a happy human being generally?
Yes, I am. I
Are
like to think
she
I'm a
sounds
content
happy.
girl. Like,
it's easy to sound
I'm
happy.
shooting a lot.
No, what is the definition of happiness?
Happiness is, being by myself. Most of the time, I enjoy my own company. Happiness to me is being able to afford the things that, make me happy, do activities that make me happy. That's happiness to me. If freedom is my happiness.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
What do you have to lose by not being with this guy?
Nothing, actually.
So why
Nothing.
are
Like,
we here? Why?
my life didn't even improve.
Exactly.
Like, there's nothing that was that great
Exactly. Uhlala
about
yena?
him. He stays like a few streets away. But we stay in the same township.
Ooh. Anonymous, you don't know what you don't date around your hood.
Why not?
Because when you break up now, so far you change your routes.
But Somizi, you were
I'm
Somizi,
telling-
you were complaining about the price of petrol not too long ago.
Thank you.
No.
How?
And isn't it cheaper to date in your neighborhood? I mean,
It's
diesel
so
is 36
convenient.
bucks.
It's convenient, but it's expensive. It will cost you your emotions. It will cost you your
Yes.
mental state. Because now they've broken up. If she used to turn right, Magaya shop, for left, imagine, to avoid bumping into him. And I'm sure Khale Konen.
No, so means like he trata njengeke sibonane futhi.
You know, Anonymous, he's eaten everything from you.
Yo. Naked.
Udle grocery. He ate your groceries. He ate your
Your
Ungeke
kunantra.
phansi naphezulu.
yes, Anonymous. And you know what? Right now he's satisfied. And the only reason he's not satisfied that he can't use you anymore.
Yeah.
And he's actually not even satisfied that he didn't you are not
accessible.
not accessible, but his penis didn't put you in a trance.
Oh,
Yeah, bo? Because
Oh,
you know
damn.
there are some women, when you give it to them so good, they will still buy that grocery every weekend without question because
no
but
problem
it is
then.
so nice. But dizinje. Now
Yo.
when you still looked at your finances and you were like, ah, the D is not even that good. I want my money. I want my groceries. This is, you know. So Anonymous, that you have bruised his ego.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, his ego is bruised.
Does he work?
Yes, he does work. He does work. But obviously, I got holy as much as me because our jobs are different. Yeah.
Do you feel
But
sorry
no,
for
I
him?
get you naked. Mauti, he's bruised because while we were talking, I did touch on the issue that why are you still living at home at your age, bruh?
Yo, hold down.
That's
Anonymous.
wrong.
Yeah,
That's
and
wrong,
he was very
Anonymous.
touched with
That's
that.
wrong. But that was wrong of you.
And what was his answer?
That was wrong.
He's like, no, he's still working on himself. You know,
Yeah.
he
That was
spent his
wrong of you.
finances, Gabi, during his 20s. So now he's gathering his life together.
Yeah.
Ngambuza ukuthi uma nje uvuka ngami, like mina ke na
Exactly.
ngiyadinga, you are not
Ulayile wakushiya wena
available.
ukhohlakele yazi ukhohlakele.
No, but she was right. by
No,
saying-
uvuka
no.
ngami.
If you say no, Somizi, when you're working on yourself, anybody, man or woman, if you're still working on yourself, work on yourself. Ujolelani.
Alone.
Ujolelani when you are still working on yourself.
No.
Because then it means now you want to guilt trip whoever you're seeing. Uguti, no, because I'm still working on myself, I can't pay.
Afford.
I can't
No, but the
afford
question
ikrosa.
Anonymous was wrong. That
How was I supposed to put it, Somizi?
ungenaphi umqomeleni? Why did you say yes to him knowing ukuthi uhlala kubo? And then the next thing you're going to use it against him. It's not right, Anonymous. People are in different stages for different reasons, different places. You run your own race at your own time in your own lane. There's nothing wrong because it's things like this that put people under pressure. When things go wrong, they can't go back home. And that's not how it's supposed to be. You were wrong by asking him. You could have said, okay, let's talk about your goals and why are we here, you know? But when we be able to, wow, Anonymous, that wasn't sensitive. And why
Yeah,
So, Miss,
I
you-
could have a house by now.
you understand? As fun as about naked, as fun as
You asked a very important question.
Yeah.
Ukuthi, why did Anonymous umcomeleni?
Hey,
So Anonymous, why did you say yes to the relationship from the beginning?
Oh, in the beginning, he was hands-on. Like, he was that guy, or he's into me, good communication, uyangitheka, he's thoughtful, gives me money every now and then, yabo nje. Should bengijabuliswa yilokho okuncane akwenzayo, uyabo.
But he was still living with his mother.
Yes, he was. And I was okay with him coming over to my place because he would put that money, ukuthi ngihambe ngiyogrosa. But over time, when he slacked on that, and I tried to bring him back to it, he didn't even have an explanation ukuthi why I slack, uyabona. But yeah, he's a great guy. Like, I honestly enjoy being with him.
You enjoyed. It's over. Finish
Oh,
and
God,
let
yeah.
was
it
the
go.
sex good?
No, it was okay.
What? It was like,
Yazin.
was the sex
Let
good,
her
Anonymous?
Because I know
Finish.
women, guys.
Let
Aye,
her
wena.
finish.
I know women.
Let her
okay,
finish.
uzongitshela. Batshela, Anonymous.
Was the sex good?
No, it wasn't that great, but I was understanding, uyabo.
Thank you. Guys, niyayazi sex emnandi yenzani?
Abantu ababroke imnandi. Manje lona angazufitha kuyiphi category.
No, but he's not broke, angisho.
Ngoba-
No, uyasebenza nje mntana bantu
Exactly.
ubuya khathele, so one round here and there, yabo.
guys,
Can't.
where are we? Are we at Metro still?
Yeah.
Ningangihleki.
No, Anonymous, we're not laughing at you. You know, he didn't even fulfill the sexual demand that you needed. He didn't fulfill that nothing nje. The problem is not the guy. The problem nguwe. Nguwe. Dali nguwe. The problem.
Yini inkinga
Ne?
yami ke naked?
Like what Usomizi said in the beginning, Anonymous, you don't know what you want. Therefore, for that little climax once a weekend, you're willing to sacrifice everything. Like, oh, come on.
So should I up my standards?
No,
No,
up
are they too low?
yourself, up your self-esteem, up your self-esteem, not up the standards ngabanye abantu, so bheka judge abanye abantu ngama standards abo. Up your self-esteem, it will automatically and naturally happen that you meet somebody who's gonna match your self-esteem. That's it. And ungiborile because ngikuphe opportunity yokuthi ngabe sikupha ama tools khona manje for the next future. Usabambelele ku
Ngicela ungiphe ke
Kulate.
Somizi ngizomyeka kubhuti wabantu nkosi
Hayi,
yami
ungamyeki.
ngiyama-tools.
ungamiyeki Chomi. Do what you need to do, enjoy it while it still lasts, and then it will happen gradually. And at least it's not a bad person.
She's probably even
No.
replied to that text that he sent.
Yeah, she has replied.
Have you replied?
Not yet. Actually, he sent another one.
What
did he say?
After the good morning.
Yeah.
He said, I trust you are well. I just wanted to say I'm sorry that I gave up on us and that I really, really love you.
Woo! In my 50 years, ngizwe like 40 leyo. And it
So
comes
he's
from a
feeling
place of
guilty.
hunger. Ukhumbule ukudla okwaphezulu nokwaphansi.
Yo, Nkosi yami.
So easy, Mara.
Yes, he's missing the food.
Are you gonna dish it out, Anonymous? Are you gonna cook for him? Are you gonna dish it out? Are you gonna open that room door for him?
Yo, I don't know if I should. I really
do.
don't know
What
if
do
I
you
should.
What
I
do you
want
know
to.
today? What do you know?
Jeez, naked.
Nothing.
No, was he?
I know that I don't like the way izinto zihamba ngakhona. Like, I just need him to contribute a little bit more and be more thoughtful.
If Rafuni, if he doesn't want to, or if he can't afford to, because remember he told you about his financial situation. If he can't afford to, you also can't force him to.
No, I can't.
It's not his
Yes.
fault, like you said, Naked. It's not the guy's fault. It's the minute you have to tell somebody to do the bare minimum, it's not a relationship.
Is it?
It's not a relationship. We are old enough to know what is the foundation of a good relationship.
Yeah.
So, it's not like he doesn't know. You are not his girl. Trust me.
I'm not
if
his dream girl.
you're not his girl yet, he doesn't have to dream to have you. He doesn't have to dream. The problem, let me tell you, this guy, if he meets somebody who he is really into, those things will happen naturally. Did you hear me, guys? I
Yes.
said,
Yes.
if this guy meets somebody who he is really into, the things that Anonymous is asking for, they will happen naturally. He is not that into you, Anonymous. You must know that. Confident for yena until ahlangane nam uzoba happy game akshi.
You so
Oh,
easy, not
yes.
you. No, but you are right. He will be happy, and he will find somebody that will feed him, and you know he will never go hungry again. No more hunger.
So I should let him go for now, ne?
He's let you go.
Mamela
Bye-bye.
ikunantra yakho.
Oh,
Ithini?
goodness.
Ithini kunantra?
What is it saying, Anonymous?
Pardon?
What does your kunantra say?
I couldn't try me sorted. Nama-toys nani.
Okay. No more hunger again.
No more
hunger,
Baba.
Anonymous.
Hoverson, am I saying it correct?
Yes, it's Hoverson.
Hoverson, good morning. How are you?
I'm good and you. I just want to say to the anonymous caller that I think maybe she is the problem because she relies too much on the self-service department. I think maybe the guy saw that the lady has some self-service provider. So that's one of the things of that guys we look at. Cannot rely too much on the self-service. That's why these relationships nowadays, they don't last because a lot of people are depending on self-services. So the turn off for the guy. I think maybe the guy saw some things
Hoverson, who hurt you?
about the woman.
Again?
Who hurt you, my brother?
Pardon?
Who hurt you?
Nobody hurt me, man. But I'm just saying it's a kind of just imagine as a woman. Always when you come to your visit your men, you always find them they busy self-servicing themselves.
Hoverson.
What would you feel when
Hoverson. His job was to fulfill her needs, and he didn't. And you know, he would give her one round like Ngama weekend. Imagine, and she's been thirsting for it the whole week. And it's got nothing to do with the toys. If he was doing his job.
Yeah, because of the you tell a human being and toys they are not the same, brother. So if they can just reduce these toys and then face the reality. Now we are old. These things of going to the round, shama 5 round, everything is done.
Hoverson.
One is enough, we sleep, and then tomorrow is another day.
The toys are meant to be used together at times. Okay, so now join in on the fun and stop complaining, Hoverson.
Let's head on over to Zakele out in the East Rand. Zakele, good morning.
Hi, good.
How are you, Papa?
Yes,
Never.
Don't be.
No, you see, one thing I know, Ask a Man is very triggering. I'm disappointed with you, Naked DJ, today, my man. You allowed Somizi to change your perspective and everything today. Bro, why is Chigela Lomchit? The guy, if the tables were turned, us as men, we can take a woman without anything and everything, some support, so the guy is looking for that.
But he didn't say he's looking for that.
My relationship, naked, what they did, Anonymous he did that. Support our father, but now he's becoming real to him now, to himself. Okay, I can't afford. Remember now, so I'm keeping an extra 500 rand, 3,000 every.
But my brother, you know what, ne? It's not like I turned my back on Umchita, but people must speak. He's a grown adult. He must learn to communicate with his partner. She said he was a good communicator, but she called us today because she doesn't know what's going on, because there's also certain things that he has stopped doing. And the biggest thing that he actually stopped doing is not the money thing. It's speaking to your partner. And that's what we know as Amachita. No matter what, you talk to your partner. Because when you speak, you give people a choice. And he didn't do that. So I cannot defend what's not what can't be defended.
Okay.
Let's head on over to the voice notes. Hey, today.
You are telling the truth, Anonza. These guys, benza laba funa khona, where they want, you won't even ask. So he's not into you. There's someone that he's doing everything for her. When you are just there, mara hungry. Only you are just satisfying him. Nothing else, nothing more. So a person will do everything for you, goes miles for you if he wants to. So this man doesn't want anything.
Nah, guys, I just want to say true love is really scarce these days. And also, ladies should stop this thing of theirs of feeling sorry for men, and you just say yes to a man because you feel sorry for him, or you're trying to. No, if it's not working, it's not working. That's all. From the beginning, I'm sure you know. From the beginning, you know that this is not really gonna work.
All right, gents.
Ladies are very understanding, guys. You know. As long as we speak to them, as long as, we communicate. She understands that he can only do one round a week, because it's tired. She said, I understand. But come on, if your D game is lame and your money game is lame too, Utai. Bazo hamba lavant.
Choose your struggles.
Choose your struggles.
That's true. I've been there, done that.
As the receiver or the...
Always the receiver. Okay, guys, I'll see you on Thursday. I'm recovering.
Why?
From an ankle and fever. So...
Who's uncle?
I'm going to take care of my uncle.
Get better soon, son.
Thank you, baby. I'll be bedridden.
With your uncle.